telenovelas, documentary channels, kids channels, news channels, international news channels, local channels, our own local channels here. We have at least 9 of those, and we're looking at putting more onto the platform, all right? And obviously, sports. We have a few international sports channels, but at the same time, we also have our own homegrown local stations that we develop ourselves. That is Azam 1, Azam 2, and Azam 3, okay? I've heard in the grapevine that possibly we would be able to get another channel, Azam 4, which will be dedicated solely for FKF and Kenyan football matters. Okay? We're very excited about it. We will give you the best that we can. We've already done a few tests before in terms of broadcasting. 2 months ago we were here. The quality for those who were able to see it was fantastic. And we promise that we're going to maintain the same quality going forward. All right? Azam TV Kenya is available on satellite now, for now, but in Tanzania it's available both on satellite and on DTT in a similar manner with our competition here. All right? But for now, we are on satellite only. Very affordable, both for the equipment and for the monthly subscriptions. If you see the ladies sitting at the corner there, they have flyers if you want to check it out. Our lowest subscription is 300 shillings. There's a 600 shilling package. There's a 750 package. There's a 1,400 package. Very affordable for the quality and the caliber of programming that you're getting. Our tagline is entertainment for everybody. Ama burudani kwa wote. Okay? We are giving you quality without necessarily compromising on. We're giving you quality without necessarily, quality without compromising, beg your pardon. Giving you quality at an affordable price. All right? Entertainment for everybody. I'm sure the question which will come up is, how are Kenyans going to watch this? Like I said before, we've done a test, but primarily, if you want to watch these matches that Azam are going to broadcast, you must buy an Azam TV decoder. That is the first thing. We have dealers all over this country who are willing and able to install these decoders for you. They have the stock. We have the stock in our offices. I mean, you can come and purchase and start watching almost immediately. For those who don't have decoders, and we've done it before, 2 months ago when we had this test, we have our Azam TV Max app. You will see it on all these backdrop banners and outside there. You can download the Azam TV Max application and watch whatever it is that you want to watch from Azam TV. It's not only restricted to the football. We have packages therein as well, like any other platform. And you can be able to watch that at any time. All right? I have worked with this company for 10 years. I am Kenyan myself. I've worked with them for 10 years. I know their passion for promoting local content, for promoting local talent, and for building local sports. I'm sure you've heard about Azam FC and what they've done with Azam FC. I'm sure you've heard about the Tanzanian Football League and what they've done with the Tanzanian Football League. We are hoping that we'll be able to emulate this. And we're asking you as our partners to come and join us in getting this thing done. All right? I'm available. Our team is available at the door there. If you have any further questions on how you can get Azam TV and any other questions, we're available to listen to you. I thank you once again for coming to attend this occasion. Thank you very much.
Asante, thank you so much, Mr. Martin Abuya. Labda kwa manufaa ya wale wengine ambao kidogo tu nasema kimombo pia kinaenda kushoto kulia. Maana kila mmoja, na kuna mwingine anatumia mkono wa kushoto kuandika na mwingine anatumia mkono wa kulia kuandika. Ni kwamba mambo mazuri yanakuja. Na si tu kwa wale wapenda soka, lakini kwa wale ambao wanapenda kufuatilia vipindi mbalimbali kupitia kwa Azam TV. Kwa hiyo haya yote ni kusema kwamba sisi tulio hapa tutakuwa tunashuhudia kile cha kwanza kabisa ambacho ni masala ya soka na matangazo ya moja kwa moja ya ligi kuu taifa Kenya. Na kitu ambacho nimependa kutilia pondo hapo ni kwamba Azam Sports 1, Azam Sports 2, Azam Sports 3 itabaki na wale wenzetu kule. Lakini sisi kama nilivyosema kiongozi ni kwamba tutakuwa na yetu Azam Sports 4. Jamani, ni raha si raha? Naomba makofi kwa hilo basi. Naomba makofi kwa hilo. Kwa sababu gani nimeomba makofi? Hapa itakuwa njia mojawapo ya kuweka vitu vingi. Si tu tumeenda pale uwanjani tunatazama mechi, lakini tutakuwa na vitu vingi vya kuweza kuhakikisha kwamba channel ya Azam Sports 4 inatupatia content ambayo inazungumzia soka la Kenya. Kwa hivyo niseme hongera sana kwa Azam TV pamoja na shirikisho la mpira wa miguu hapa nchini Kenya kuweza kufanikisha hii ndoa siku hii ya leo. Na sasa hivi niweze kumpatia nafasi rafiki yangu wa karibu, ndugu yangu Yahya Mohamed, COO wa Azam Media Limited, ambaye mara nyingi wanamuita mwelekezi kwa upande wangu mimi, aweze pia naye kuweza kutoa hisia zake kuhusiana na ufungaji wa ndoa hii leo. Karibu sana ndugu Yahya Mohamed.
Nikushukuru sana ndugu yangu kwa namna ya kipekee sana. Assalamu alaikum. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Raisi wa Kenya Football Federation Bwana Niki Mwendwa, la CEO wa Kenya Federation Barry Otieno, Martin Abuya, General Manager Kenya, Fatuma Mohamed, Programming Manager Azam Media Limited. Labda usimame kidogo upunge mkono wa kuone.